We are so glad you're here. Get ready for the news that is reshaping the tech landscape. Amazon has just given tens of thousands of its developers immediate access to Anthropic's Claude Code, and this is huge. We break down exactly what this means for coding tools and how Amazon is changing its internal development strategy. Stay with us for the full story.
Never get caught with a dead phone again. This INIU portable charger is compact, travel-friendly, and gives you fast 45-watt charging with a built-in USB-C cable, so there's no need to carry extra cords. With 10,000 mAh power, it's perfect for busy days, trips, emergencies, or anytime your battery drops too low. Grab yours on Amazon through the link in the comments before your phone hits 1%.
Next up, we dive into the internal shifts at Amazon. We look at the incredible reaction from Amazon employees as they finally gain access to Claude Code, and what this signals about the future of agentic AI within the e-commerce giant. Find out why this approval is a major turning point for how Amazon builds its next generation of features. Switching gears to the world of politics, we examine candidate Claude Parrish's vision for Orange County. We break down the key questions he is facing in the upcoming primary election, focusing on his commitment to property valuation and taxpayer advocacy for residents. And finally, we look at innovation exploding on campus. UCLA students defied the university's initial pushback and built Southern California's first Claude Hackathon. Discover how the Claude Builder Club is driving AI literacy and creating groundbreaking projects like Nucleus. Don't miss the full breakdown. Tune in now for all the latest. Amazon has significantly expanded access to advanced generative AI coding tools, granting tens of thousands of its developers immediate access to Anthropic's Claude Code and soon OpenAI's Codex. This move signals a notable shift in the company's approach to integrating third-party AI assistants into its development workflows. According to an internal staff note seen by Business Insider, Jim Hawout, VP of Amazon Software Builder Experience, confirmed that both Claude Code and Codex will operate on Amazon Web Services and Amazon Bedrock, Amazon's managed service for generative AI applications. This infrastructure approach simplifies capacity management, tightens data security, and streamlines the process for developers. This development appears to be a response to internal developer pushback against previous directives, prioritizing Amazon's proprietary agentic coding service, Cairo. Internal discussions reportedly showed thousands of employee endorsements urging the formal adoption of Claude Code. Consequently, approval for Claude Code and forthcoming Codex for production use has been granted, removing the need for special clearance for employees. While Cairo remains the focus for agentic coding, Amazon spokesperson confirmed that the broader availability of Claude Code and Codex across the company expands tool access. Industry experts suggest this change will fundamentally alter engineering priorities. Satyam Dihar, a staff software engineer, anticipates that the focus will shift from line-by-line coding to reviewing, validating outputs, and meticulously defining system behavior. This strategic move underscores Amazon's deepening commitment to both Anthropic and OpenAI, highlighted by recent major investments, including a $25 billion commitment from Amazon to Anthropic and a $50 billion investment in OpenAI to co-create a stateful runtime environment on Amazon Bedrock. The broader trend shows AI coding assistants moving from experimentation to becoming the standard practice in software development, impacting how engineering teams allocate time and focus on defining system architecture rather than manual coding. Amazon employees have received access to Claude Code, marking a significant development in the company's adoption of advanced AI tools. This news highlights the ongoing integration of cutting-edge artificial intelligence into the workplace at major tech firms. The report is featured in a condensed version of the Business Insider Today newsletter, which covers top stories across business and technology. Other major headlines from the week include commentary on the Met Gala trends, the GameStop CEO's controversial comments regarding eBay, an interview with the CEO of Grand Theft Auto, and expert opinions on the most crucial skills in the AI era, with a Wharton expert emphasizing taste. Furthermore, industry shifts are noted, such as Costco experiencing increased crowding and ServiceNow outlining its strategy to reach $30 billion in annual subscription revenue amid accelerating AI investments. Ahead of the June primary election, the Southern California News Group released a questionnaire for Claude Parrish, an incumbent Orange County assessor candidate, seeking to gauge his vision and priorities. The questionnaire focused on the core responsibilities of the assessor's office, new initiatives, budget allocation, and his qualifications. When asked about the most important role of the county assessor, Parrish emphasized valuing all legally accessible property with fairness and impartiality, ensuring accurate property tax assessment rolls, and providing timely, courteous assistance to property owners regarding valuations and exemptions. He highlighted his commitment to public service by establishing a rent-free office in Mission Viejo and creating a taxpayer's advocate to assist over 11,000 residents with complex property tax issues. Regarding new initiatives, Parrish proposed extending the deadline for filing annual assessment appeals from September 15 to November 30, granting taxpayers 75 additional days. He also detailed the creation of a business tax resolution specialist to assist business owners and stressed his commitment to reducing appeals through fair valuation and prompt resolution. On budget allocation, Parrish requested increased funding for staffing, noting a decline in full-time positions and increased workload complexity. He argued that increasing staff would better serve the county's needs. Parrish positioned his extensive experience as the most qualified candidate, citing his 11 years as the elected assessor and prior service as chairman of the State Board of Equalization, where he implemented taxpayer-friendly approaches and overhauled customer service systems. His background also includes experience in the securities industry and as an insurance commissioner. To meet diverse resident needs, Parrish detailed his multifaceted approach, utilizing bilingual staff and multilingual website translations, offering direct personal responses to public calls, and actively lobbying the California legislature on behalf of his constituents. He concluded by reaffirming his dedication to making property tax laws accessible to all Orange County residents. UCLA students successfully challenged university resistance to establish Southern California's first Claude Hackathon, demonstrating a proactive approach to AI literacy despite initial institutional pushback. The initiative was spearheaded by the Claude Builder Club at UCLA, founded by Anthropic ambassadors Emily Shen and Gokul Nambiar, after their initial proposal for an AI event was rejected by the university. Shen, an Anthropic ambassador and cognitive science student, argued that shielding students from AI is counterproductive, comparing the denial to withholding internet access. In response, she and Nambiar established the Claude Builder Club to foster AI literacy across diverse skill levels. The club culminated in the SoCal Claude Hackathon, which attracted over 100 builders from UCLA, USC, and Caltech for a 6-hour social impact build. Notable projects showcased the practical application of large language models. A USC team developed Nucleus, a multi-agent system using Fetch, AI agents, and Claude to centralize hospital floor operations, allowing nurses to monitor entire wards efficiently. Another high-impact project, Meridian, a shared clinical record tool, received the Most Impact Award. This tool utilizes Claude to synthesize themes from therapy transcripts while providing patients with journaling features that offer granular privacy controls. Furthermore, students tackled critical societal issues. Lynn Thuya and teammate Contney H. Lang created Call2Well, a voice AI agent designed to help uninsured Americans locate free or low-cost clinics. In another endeavor, Nambiar's team built Cropped, which employs on-device AI to diagnose crop diseases via a phone camera, offering treatment steps in multiple languages without internet access. To build broad engagement, the club hosted preparatory workshops, including a Build Your Personal Brand session that taught non-technical students how to leverage Claude and Figma for career positioning, effectively dismantling perceived technical barriers. The success of the club, which has since become an ongoing organization at UCLA with a mission to welcome all students, highlights how student-led communities are rapidly developing AI education initiatives, often outpacing institutional policy adjustments. The trajectory from a denied proposal to a multi-campus hackathon underscores an ongoing debate about how universities should adapt their policies to meet student demand for AI education.